Hello student, now we will take the next video of the surface area and volume of class 10 mathematics. So today's video are only in the back-to-back questions, very important questions based on the cylinder, cone, sphere, cube, cuboid, they all have combined question we have taken. And the next video is very important for you because we take the first term. So first you see back-to-back question video today. So first question. A trophy awarded to the best student in the class in the form of solid cylinder mounted on a solid hemisphere with the same radius and is made from some metal. This trophy is mounted on the wooden cuboid as shown in the figure. The diameter of the hemisphere is 21 cm and the total height of trophy is 24.5 cm. Find the weight of the metal used in making the trophy. Weight of 1 centimeter cube of the metal is 1.2 gram. That means this question the density is given. The trophy is made up of question number 24. We write the question number only for you. We have to show the question and the question showing question and the solving question is same. 24 questions showing, 24 questions solving. Is a solid. This is a solid from here to here. Is a put here but doesn't matter. Density is given. First radius, diameter given 21 centimeter. So radius 21 by 2 centimeter. Don't take here 10.5. Okay. That's a give us small trick for you. Always take the value in the fractions form. Why? It's easy to solve it. Then total height 24.5. So firstly explain here. This is the radius. This is the height of cylinder. So h plus r equal 24.5. h plus 10.5 equal 24.5 because you can say 10.5 centimeter, but we take the value this. Okay, but for decimal fact form we can take this value. Is easy to solve it. 24.5 minus 10.5, so we get 14 centimeter is the height of the cylindrical part. So the weight of the trophy, if the density is given, what's given? 1.2 gram per centimeter cube. It means it's clear that we want to find the volume in centimeter cube. So volume of trophy. No trophy. Volume of metal in trophy. So volume of hemisphere, volume of cylinder. 2 by 3 pi r cube pi r square h. Pi r square common. 2 by 3 r plus h. 22 by 7. 21 by 2. 21 by 2. 2 by 3 into 21 by 2 plus h. H is 14. 2 cancel. 7. 7 3 21. 11. 33 into 21 into 21. So this is 21 into 21 into 33. And this 2 remain. Anything missing? No. So that is equal to centimeter cube. So we have to see that it's a big multiplication form, so we don't take the multiplying. Why? It's also take because we want to weight mass. Mass of metal in trophy. So volume into density, volume 33 into 21 into 21 by 2 into 1.2 gram, cancel upon 10 to 6 or 12, then multiply 33, 21, 21. So 441 multiply by 6 and 33. So multiply and we get the value 87318 by 10. So 8731.8 gram, or you can say 8.7318 kg is the mass of the metal used in trophy. Okay, pause video down. Next question, see here. Question number, we take 26. Many students ask this question. Sir, explain this type of question. A tent is in the shape of right circular cylinder up to a height of 3 meter and the conical above it. The total height of the tent is 13.5 meter above the ground. Calculate the cost of painting the inner side of the tent at the rate of 2 rupees per meter square. The radius of the base is 14 meters. Very good. Conical tent is on the cylindrical base. Base is cylindrical and the conical part above it. Of the diameter 14 meter. 40 meter? Radius or diameter? Sorry. Of the radius 14 meter. And the total height of the tent is 13.5 meter. And the first line is written, the tent in the shape of size of the cylinder up to a height of 3 meter. So tent cylindrical up to a height of 3 meter. So you can say the conical part height is 10.5 meter. Okay. So what is the area of cloth required here? The rate is given. You want to total cost. Rate is given. What is 2 rupees per meter square. That's a trick. Meter square, that means understand area we want to find them. Cube means volume. So first we find the total area of cloth used to make this tent. In this question, nothing we have to sing the stitching part. Sir, two cloth is stitched, so some cloths are fold. But here is all the ignored because not given. So total surface area of tent where cloth used. So if I say tent, you have to go to picnic? No, but I go to picnic. I like. So base is slender. So cloth is used in the CSA of slender. Not use the floor and not on the top. Why? Because top is the conical. So you have to use the cloth in outer boundaries. CSA of slender. Also use cloth in here. This is the CSA of cone. Then we have to put the value 2 pi RH pi RL. Base same, so radius same. Pi R common. Okay. Your wish we have to complete it. Common ले लिया. But we know the value of R 14. We know the value of pi 20.17. H height of cylinder 3. But what is the value of L? Don't know. So first we find the value of L. Slant height of cone. h square plus r square. H is 10.5 plus r is 14 square, and that is the square root. So 10.5 whole square, I think you have to solve them. We already solved it. We get the 110.5. 25. This is 196. Add them, so we get the value 306.25, and this value is the square root of 117.5. I am not learned this value. We already find earlier. That is the homework for me. We find the square root, that is 17.5. So we have put all the values. 22/7. R is 14. 2 into h 3 plus 17.5. 7 to the 14. 44 into 6 plus 17.5. 23.5. Decimal move 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 4 20. 5 7 35. 2 22. So 22 into 47 centimeter square is the total surface area of 10, that is 1034 centimeter square. Okay. चलिए sorry. They all measurement in meter, that is a meter square. Then total cost of cloth. So rate into area. Rate is 2 rupees per meter square into 1034, that is 2068 rupees is the cost of all cloth used to make this tent. Pause, we note down. Back to back question. Let's see next question. Is a good question. The difference between outside and inside surface of a cylindrical metallic pipe 14 cm long is 44 cm square. If the pipe is made of 99 cm cube of metal, find the outer and inner radius of the pipe. This is the shape of pipe. I know my drawing is not good, but I tried to draw the figure. Small r and the capital R. This is the hollow. We want to find the value of small r and capital R. What is given? The difference between outside and inside surface area. Difference between of height 14 centimeter means the length of the pipe 14 centimeter is given, and the difference, what is given? CSA, but we take the outer CSA minus inner CSA, that is 44 2 pi r h 2 pi small r h. Height is same, either would take the inner or outer, but the radius is different for inner small r and capital smaller means inner small r and outer capital R. And the formula for the surface is 2 pi RH. So solve it. 2 pi H is common. I know we are very fast to taking the common, because I know that is cancelled. 2, 7, 14, 22, 2 is 2 cancel. R minus R is equal to 1 by 2. Here only 1 remain and 2 sent to both side. So that is the first equation. The value of R minus R is equal to 1 by 2. That's your choice. You can solve any types. and the pipe volume means volume of pipe is 699 centimeter cube. So what's the volume of pipe? That is pi r square h minus pi r square h is equal to 99. Means outer volume minus inner volume is the volume of hollow cylinder. Pi h common, area common. 22 by 7 into 14, r plus r minus r, 99. Kato. 22 into 2 into r plus r. Oh no. R minus r, 1 by 2. Yes. 2 cancel. 11 2s are 11 9s are. So r plus r equal to 9 by 2. Equation number second. I hope so you understand how we make the second equation. Then you all know, if you get two equation, solve it. R minus r, 0.5. R plus r, 4.5. Cut. 2r, 5. Capital R, 5 by 2, 2.5 centimeter. Put in first. R plus r, patani, cha cha cha. So inner radius is 2 centimeter and the outer radius is. So you have to read the question. It's very good question. I am solving. It's very in different ways. Okay. The internal and external radii of the hollow sphere are 3 and 5 centimeter respectively. The sphere is meant to form a solid cylinder of height 2 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter. Find the diameter and the curved surface area of cylinder. Okay. What is this? Hollow sphere. Inner radius 3 centimeter. Outer radius 5 centimeter. Is melt to form a solid cylinder. Solid. Of height. Capital. 2 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter. Find diameter. Capital. We take R1 and R2. Find the diameter and the curved surface area of cylinder. If this is a chocolate spherical ball, so this is also chocolate spherical ball. This is your friend chocolate, and you have to hide this chocolate and melt to form the cylindrical chocolate. Your friend say, "Where is my chocolate?" You say, "No, this is not my chocolate. This is a cylindrical shape, and your chocolate is in spherical shape." But your friend is very clever. Say, "My sphere chocolates are same volume is cylindrical chocolate. That means my chocolate." Means volume of spherical cell is equal to the volume of solid cylinder, because the material is same. This melt to this form. That means both are the same volume. So this volume 4 by 3 pi r minus r2 minus r1. Here pi r square h. Pi, ooey, cut. Here 4 upon 3, 5 cube minus 3 cube, and r I don't know. H I don't, yes. 3 to the 6 to 8 by 3, 8 by 3, 3, cut. 4 to the 8, cut. 125 minus 27 is equal to r square into 2. 15 minus 7, 8. 11 minus 2, 9. Oh, perfect square. 7 is equal to r centimeter. Radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Means if your friend chocolate is 7 centimeter radius, it means you know. So diameter is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter is your first answer. CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into R into H. 7 cancel, and 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 35 by 3, so is cut, and you have to get 117 whole 1 by 3 centimeter square is the surface CSA of cylinder. Pause, we note down. Again, see the question. I know you have to read the question. It's a very good important question for you because it's board exam question. So, if I say the question is, the interior of the building is in the form of cylinder of diameter 44.3 meter and 3.8 meter height. Means cylindrical part 4.3 meter and the 3 meter height. Sorry, 3.8. Surmounted by a cone whose vertical angle is right angle. Surmounted by a cone, thick, right angle. You know these two are equal because both are the slant height of the cone and they equal. And this is the radius. 90. Oh, this angle 45 degree. Why? You know, theta equal to 90 by 2, 45 degree, because this is the line bisector of the isosceles triangle AOB. So angle 45 degree. Value of radius 4.3 by 2, 43 by 20 centimeter. So you can find the height of the cone, because you know when you not find the height of the cone, you can't find anything about the cone, because slant height is not given or radius given. So we have to use here for this triangle, in triangle O, दो जगह ले लिया C. In triangle COB, using perpendicular given, base we want to find them, tan 45 OB upon OC. 1 is equal to OBR, what is value of R? 43 by 20 upon OC. So OC is also equal to 43 by 20 is the height of the conical part. Okay, and this is the height of the cylindrical part. I hope so you understand to find the value of the height of the cone. Then we find the value of, what's the question want? Find the area of surface in the volume of the building. Surface area of building. CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. Pi r L plus 2 pi r H. R is same, so we have to use both R. L plus 2H. Pi given, R given, L is not given. So first we find the value of L. Okay. Then you can also find the value of L here by using trigonometrical function. If you have to use in same triangle, we have to use perpendicular and base, both we have to know. We want to find the value of hypotenuse sine 45 perpendicular upon hypotenuse 1 by root 2 is equal to OB 43 by 20 upon BC, and BC is slant height L. Cross multiply L equal to 43 root 2 by 20. 43 root 2 by 20. That is the slant height of the cone. So value of pi is not given, but all in division decimal form. So we have to use 3.14 into R 43.20. जाने लेते हैं 22 by 7. L 43 root 2 by 20 plus 2 into H for 3.8. So after putting all the values, what you get? You can solve it and add it, so we get the 71.83 centimeter square. We are not wasting the time, we have directly write the answer. You know root 2 value 1.414 and pi value 3.14 or 22 by 7. That's your choice. We have taken here and solve it in rough copy. So we get 71.83 centimeter square is the surface area of building. Then we find the volume of building, that is pi r square h by 3, volume of cone plus volume of cylinder, radius is same, pi r square common, h by 3 plus h, 22 by 7, 43 by 20, 43 by 20, h, what's the value of h? 43 by 20 into 3 same, and this h is 3.8. So after solving all the values, you have to get is 65.56 meter cube is the volume of cylinder and cone combined. So you get the volume of the building. You know why we not solve this and this? Because this is the calculation problem. You have to solve the calculation, and by calculating, multiplying, divide, you get this value and this value. You have to leave. My main motive to explain the question is this part. How we find the value of height and slant height by using trigonometry. Means don't think that trigonometry is only chapter trigonometry. This, if I say that this chapter also have two also chapter include here. First trigonometry and also triangle similarities, and some more topic are used in this chapter. So this motive is explain this topic. I hope you understand. Pause, will note down. I know you read the question, and if I say you are solve the same types of problem in class 9, but you are confused, if not confused, very good. I explained the question in very, I'll not say easy way, because it's some trick question. Water is flowing at the rate of 2.52 km per hour through a cylindrical pipe into a cylindrical tank, the radius of whose base is 40 cm. the increase in the level of water in the tank in half an hour is 3.15 meter. Find the internal diameter of the pipe. Firstly, we try to explain this question in figure form. This is a pipe and this is a cylindrical tank. Okay, same. Water is flowing here at a rate of 2.52 kilometer per hour. In 30-minute time, 30 minutes means 1 by 2 hours. 30-minute time. In cylindrical tank whose base radius is 40 centimeter and the water level is rises by 3.15 meter. Suppose that if we fill the water here, so this is the level of water 3.15 meter in half an hour. So what is the diameter of this pipe? Diameter of this pipe. I hope you understand the question. What is flowing from the pipe at a rate of 2.52 km per hour in 30 minutes? The tank is full with a height of 3.15 meter, which is 40 centimeter in radius. So find the diameter of the pipe where the water is flowing out. Let's see. If I say volume of water is flowing from pipe is equal to volume of water in tank. If water is flowing from the pipe, so the flowing water and the stored water have the same volume. Both are in cylindrical form. So we can say this volume is pi r square h and this volume is pi r square h. That's a very good trick for might sides. If you not understand, so we ask you, I explain to next. But it's very easy to forming the formula. Pi cancel, radius I don't know, we want to find them. H I don't also know. Radius of the pipe, tank 40, we have tried 2 times, and height 3.15 meter. Here we have to mind it all the dimension in meter. So this in centimeter, so we can take 40 upon 100 meter, 4 by 10 meter. So I take 4 by 10 meter. This meter, this meter, this meter. So solve all the unit, all the measurement in meter. Here we have to find the length, distance, length of pipe in 30 minutes. Distance equal to speed into time. Speed is 2.52, but here is the speed in meter per second, not kilometer per hour. Rate 2.52 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, but if I say you have not change this, I am only give you options, you can change it, but I am not changing here, because if you change this in meter per second, so also change in second. So 30 minutes in second, 1800 second. So we have to solve here simply speed in kilometer per hour, time in hours. So we have to get the 1.26 kilometer, or you can say 1260 meter. Any doubt to finding the length of the pipe? 1260 meter. I hope so you have no doubt, because the distance equal to speed into time. So we have to get 1260 meter. And this is meter. That means if we have to store all the tank water in the pipe, so the pipe length is 1260, so it can hold the same water as in tank. So this length water volume is equal to the volume of the water in tank. So this is the height of the pipe. Then we have to solve them. 4 by 10, 4 by 10. I already explained the methodology to solve the question in easier way. 315 by 100, this, and this in multiplication forms and opposite side in division form. Then cancel out all the things. What have to cancel? 4, 3 are 12, 4 is 4, 4 5 are 20. Very good. This cancel. 4 25. So R is equal to 1 by 25 into 10 into 10 in square root. So we get 1 by 5 into 10. 25 square root is 5 and 10 in 2 times we take 1 times. So 1 by 50 meter. 1 by 50 meter. So we can say 1 upon 50 into 100 centimeter. So you can say 2 centimeter radius. So the diameter 2 into 2 means 4 centimeter is the diameter of the pipe you have taken here to fill the tank 30 minutes at the height of 3.15 meter water level. I hope so understand. Pause, we note down.